I have such a simple movement for you today. I'm out for a walk. I'm visiting my parents down in Florida. Today we're going to do the standing inner X side shift to regain a suppleness that we maybe didn't even know that we lost. Where are we not supple, and is the brain running that tension? That's the question. Has your brain got you stuck in the tensions that are taking away your ability to enjoy being in the body? Here's what we're going to do. You're standing. Think about your pelvis, how shoulders line up over pelvis. Pelvis lines up over feet. Just a little bit, you're going to slide the pelvis over to the side. There we go. Just sort of push it over there and just settle into that. Okay. Even, what if you had shoulders sort of level as pelvis pushes that way? Okay, and then we're going to go gently, gently. This is the side for me. It doesn't know how to go very well. Settle in. Could you ease in to letting this, as hips push this way, shoulders push that way, could it sag down just a little bit? Maybe breathe into that. Could you relax into that a little bit? We're going to go just really gently side to side. Which side is easier? We want to know that your brain's good at holding those tensions. Here we're contracting those tensions. Okay, this closes up sort of a line of intention through the body. Okay, this inner X. I have a movement called the inner X that could help you relax this a little bit better. We're just doing a standing version of the inner X. We're pushing hips to the side, shoulders shift over. It's like, oh yeah, could that be a yawn? And could you yawn that out? Could you move something that's stiff? Gentle, gentle. Sag into it. That whole curve of the spine. Could you really rest into that and rest into that? Okay, that. Now back off the effort a little bit. Could you just have that? Look carefully. Where is it not bending? Could you breathe the places open that need to open to bend that way? As you go the other way, breathe into the places that need to open. As you bend over the other way. You got it. You got it. We need a good name for that. I just call that the standing inner X side shift. How about that? It may be a little sore tomorrow after you moved it. We're just saying, okay, can we close that down? Can we make that a pandiculation? Can we make it contraction? Contraction? And can you restore your suppleness? That's what I'm offering. That ease of movement becomes that beautiful enjoyment of being embodied. Was one side stiffer than the other? Could you teach it a little bit to loosen up with these gentle contraction relaxes? Was there a breathing constriction place that didn't let you open? That's what we want to do. We're closing it up. Pelvis shifts to the side, ribs lower down. Come back to that. Practice that often. See if you can make a deeper change, a change that your system will accept. What does it take to teach your nervous system out of these hidden holdings? That's the process. So thank you very much for practicing with me today. I'm Eric Cooper, InspireSomatics.com. Blessings on your journey.